You can see me. Okay, wonderful. Alrighty. Well, we'll go ahead and start. I think we'll probably get a few more people come in a little bit later. There's usually a few technical difficulties, but just wanted to go ahead and welcome you to the Map Out Your Life workshop. Just to give you a quick little introduction, my name is Christy Nichols, and Venture Within is my company that I started so that I could create transformational experiences for people who are looking for something more, who want to tap back into the things in their life that they find fulfilling and meaningful. It's very easy, especially this day and age, to kind of lose sight of who you are and what you want when you get caught up in routines. So the experiences I create through Venture Within, they are usually overseas retreats where people can kind of tap out of their 9 to 5 and just immerse themselves into something that opens them up, right? It reconnects you with yourself. And for those who can't go on retreats all the time, I've extracted these workshops that are usually part of the retreats into an online coaching and mentoring program. So this way, individuals who are seeking coaching or some sort of like guidance to get from point A to point B can access these through like the online session. So a little bit more about that later. But I'm excited to talk about Map Out Your Life workshop now. It is taken exactly from the coaching and mentoring program, and January is a fantastic time for us to start to kind of reconnect and start to plan out what we want the next little bit of our life to look like. So I'll have the chat box open here. Feel free as I'm going through the workshop to comment, to ask questions. If I don't get to your question, I will definitely at the end. But first, before I jump into this too much, can you let me know where you're from? Where are people saying hi from? I think there's a few people from a few different countries. I'm not sure. Poland and Nicaragua. International today. Okay. All right. Well, let's just jump in. You will need either a pen and paper, or you can type directly onto your computer. So you can either get like your little notebook out just to jot down some things. This is a workshop that takes a bit of like internal reflection. Nothing you need to share. It's all voluntary sharing. But it's important that you write things down as they come to you. Or you can type directly onto your computer screen if you shift your screen so that you can see this webinar, and then also you can type in notes. Okay. All right, let's just get going. Let's see. And everybody can still, I'm just going to share my screen. Hopefully you should still see me and some of the content here. Let's see here. All righty. Can everybody see the blue welcome Map Out Your Life? Yep. And can you still see me? Great. I love when technology works. Okay, so just a little bit about this particular course and what you're going to be doing in the next 45 minutes or so. The way you map out your life, it sounds like kind of big and heavy, but it all starts with kind of looking backwards where you came from, right? So in the next few minutes, we're going to dive into looking at our past achievements and some of our strengths. And we're also going to envision the future we want for ourselves. So we'll do a little bit of an envisioning activity. And then we'll move into untangling some of the roadblocks and challenges and personal struggles we're facing, right? We all kind of have this idea of where we want to be, but there's things that get in the way. We'll tap into those today too. And by the end of this, you'll have new techniques and tools to sort of help you map out the life you see yourself living.